Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to become QuickBooks Certified. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, to begin your journey towards becoming a QuickBooks Certified Pro Advisor, you'll need to head over to the official Intuit website and find the section titled Become a Certified Pro Advisor, QuickBooks Intuit. This page is your starting point and offers a comprehensive overview of the certification process. Once you're on the page, look for a button labeled Get Started. After clicking on Get Started, your next move is to sign up for QuickBooks. This step takes you closer to accessing the training materials you need. If you're not already a QuickBooks user, signing up will allow you to get familiar with the software, which is crucial for your training and eventual certification. As you proceed, you might encounter a prompt guiding you to visit the US site, especially if you're accessing the resources from outside the United States. Click on this suggestion to ensure you're viewing the correct version of QuickBooks offerings tailored to the US market. Choosing your plan is the next crucial step. QuickBooks offers various plans, each designed to meet different needs and budgets. Take your time to review these options and select the one that best suits your current situation. Now, if investing in a plan right away seems like a big step, or if you're on the fence about which plan suits you best, QuickBooks provides an alternative route. Each of these steps is designed to guide you smoothly through the process of becoming a QuickBooks Certified Pro Advisor. And that's it. So that is how you can become QuickBooks Certified. So that's all for this video. Thanks.